Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can upload a PDF file to your Blogger or Blogspot site. So for this you just need a PDF file like this. I have downloaded this sample PDF file. This is the one which I will show you how to upload it on Blogspot. So directly you cannot upload it by going to your any of your post, because it does not show this option. So alternatively you need to go to your Google Drive account, and herein you can go to any folder. Like I have created this test folder. I will go here. I'll just upload that file. I'll just search it and upload it. Upload files. This is the sample file. I'll just upload it. So uploading is complete now. So after doing it, I will right click over it and I will click this option, get a shareable link. I will just turn this option on and quickly copy this link. Once I copy this link, I will go again to my Blogspot and click on any of the posts where I want to add this link. I will just paste the link and write anything you want. Just paste the link and this is the link which I have posted. I'll just update it and just see the post, whether this link is opening or not. Just view the post and see whether it's working or not. I think it will definitely work whether you are opening it from a logged in account, or even if you are not logged in on your Google account. So anyone can access it. So here's the link. This is a link. You just need to open it. Go to this. So this link is now opening. Anybody can open this link. You can make this link clickable as well by going here. So you can see here this file is now opening. So you can make it clickable as well, like click over here and make a link. This now it has been clickable as well. Refresh the page. Now it is, you just need to click over it and it will open. So it's very easy process and anybody can do it using these simple steps. In case you face any issue, just comment below and I will try my best to resolve your concern. So just give me a buzz in case you have any query. Thank you and bye bye.